Welcome to Upstarburst. In this video, I will show you how to create QR code from a web browser. You don't need to go anywhere to create a QR code for a web page. You want to share a QR code for a URL, your browser can do it. It works with Google Chrome and Brave browser. From Chrome, open desired website. Click three dots at the top right. Hover over Cast, Save and Share and click Create QR Code. And here is the QR code. You can copy it and paste it in Google Docs or somewhere. You can print it or download it to your PC. To download it, click Download button. After that, you can share it anywhere you like. The recipient can scan this QR code and visit that specific website. And if I copy this QR code, and in a Word document, I can just paste it. Or I can download it from here as an image. Then I can send this image or print this image according to my requirement. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.